How to book an appointment for Schengen visa in UAE. European countries are among the most popular destinations for UAE residents. With a cooler climate, these nations are the perfect getaway for residents during the hot summer season in the Emirates. However, most residents require a visa to travel to Schengen countries and are often in the dark about the right way to be able to get an appointment for the appropriate visa. Schengen countries. The countries in Schengen are Germany, Austria, Belgium, Croatia, the Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Italy, Latvia, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, the Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, and Switzerland. General visa requirements. The following list of documents are required for any short-term Schengen visa application. Visa application form. Fully completed and signed. 2 recently taken photos must be attached. A valid passport. Round-trip reservation or itinerary. Travel insurance policy. Proof of accommodation. Proof of financial means. Proof of paid visa fee. For employees. Employment contract. Current bank statement of the latest 6 months. Leave permission from the employer. Income tax return, ITR, form or certificate of income tax deducted at the source of salary. For the self-employed. A copy of your business license. Company bank statement of the latest 6 months. Income tax return, ITR. Schengen countries. Documents required for minors. The parents/legal guardians of minors applying for a Schengen visa must submit some extra documents for the underage applicant. The minor's birth certificate. Application form signed by both parents. Family court order in cases where only one parent has full custody of the child. Certified copies of ID/passport of both parents. A notarized parental authorization signed by both parents/guardians if the minor will be traveling alone. For students. Proof of enrollment. No objection letter from the school or university. For retirees. Pension statement of the latest 6 months. Step-by-step guide to applying for a Schengen visa. Step 1. VFS website. First and foremost, you should visit the VFS website of the Schengen country you are visiting. You can find the website by simply Googling VFS Global along with the country you are planning to visit. Step 2. Create account. Next, you should make an account on the website by putting in your email address and a password, creating your identity on the site. Step 3. Activate account. You will also be required to activate your account by clicking on a link that you will receive in the email. Step 4. Start new booking. After you log in, you will be able to see a button on the top right saying Start New Booking. Once you click on this, you will be directed to a form where you will have to fill out certain details. Step 5. Fill out appointment details. First, you will be asked to fill out appointment details. In this form you will be asked to choose the application center, appointment category, and subcategory. Step 6. Fill out your personal details. After this, you will be asked to fill out your personal details for the appointment. Step 7. Choose appointment slot. After you fill out your details, you can choose an appointment slot of your convenience. Step 8. Make the payment. Once you book the appointment and make the payment, you will receive an appointment confirmation email along with the letter of appointment. Step 9. Reschedule appointment. In case you plan to reschedule your appointment, you can do so up to 2 days prior to your scheduled date of appointment, subject to availability. You can only do this twice. If you plan to reschedule one more time, then it will be considered a new appointment. In case you plan to cancel an appointment, you can do so only up to 3 days prior to the scheduled date of your appointment. A service charge will be applicable in order to book a new appointment. Thank you very much for watching video. If like it, please subscribe the channel.